Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Coinbase Exchange app on your laptop. It's quick, simple, and completely free. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome in this tutorial. In the address bar, type coinbase.com and press enter to visit the official Coinbase website. Make sure it's the real site. Look for the Coinbase logo and the secure lock icon next to the web address. Once you're on the page, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share, then select Install Page as App. A small window will pop up. Click Install. Chrome will now install Coinbase as a standalone desktop app right on your laptop. When the installation is complete, the Coinbase app will open in its own window, separate from your browser. You can also pin it to your taskbar by right-clicking the icon and selecting Pin to Taskbar. That way you can launch Coinbase anytime with a single click. Now, if you check your desktop, you'll see the Coinbase app shortcut. Just double-click it to open and start trading or checking your crypto portfolio instantly. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Coinbase Exchange app on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.